Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the basics unlocked. Make sure your PC's wireless adapter is present and turned on. Open Network Settings now and select the Wi-Fi toggle. This activates the radio so the PC can scan. Once enabled, scan available networks and look for your router's SSID. If you don't see it, move closer or check the router's lights. Make sure you have the correct password and encryption type ready before connecting, because you'll enter credentials in the next step. You'll connect now, click the network icon, pick your SSID, and type the password exactly, then hit connect. Once joined, Windows or your OS requests an IP. DHCP usually assigns it automatically, so you normally leave settings as automatic. If you need a static IP, enter it with Gateway and DNS from your network admin. After connection, choose the appropriate network profile. Set private for home so devices can be discovered, or public to keep the PC hidden on unknown. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser and load a page, or run a quick ping to 8 to confirm packets traverse the link. If speeds are poor or the connection drops, update your wireless driver and ensure firmware on the router is current. Make sure no VPN or firewall settings block traffic. If problems persist, restart the router and PC, then forget the network and reconnect. This reset often clears authentication or IP assignment errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.